Hello, Bright Minds. Welcome back to BrightMind CBSE Class, where learning becomes easy, smart, and fun. I hope you are doing great and ready for the another exciting lesson. In our last lesson, we learned how to convert fraction into decimals. Today, we will learn addition of decimals, including how to carry when the sum is greater than 9. So don't worry, it's just like adding a whole numbers. The only extra rule is to line up the decimal points. So let's begin. Imagine you buy a one milk packet. So let me draw one milk packet here. This is the milk packet. Let me draw the outline also. Okay. And its cost is, milk packet cost is rupees 12.35. Okay. And with this milk packet, you also buy a one candy. So let me draw one candy also. This is the candy. Colorful candy. Right. Let me put some more colors. This is our candy. And this candy's cost is how much? It's rupees 24.14. Okay. So how much we spend together? How much we spend together? To find the total, we add the two decimals numbers. Okay. So let me explain you how we will add these two decimal numbers. So 12.35 plus 24.14. Okay. Or as we can write 12.35 to 4.14. I will put an addition sign here. Now we will solve. One thing is to remember here, the decimal points should always be in one straight line. See, look at here. This is comes on a straight line. Okay. So let's solve the question. So 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 1, 4. I will put the decimal here. 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 2, 3. So this is our answer. Okay. One point also to remember that the decimal point comes straight down into the answer also. Okay. So let's take one more example. Question number 2. 28.8 plus 40.1. Okay. So we can write like that. 28.8 40.1. Put the addition sign. Now we can solve. 8 plus 1 is 9 decimal. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. So this is our answer. Right? So let's take one more example with carry. Okay. write 39.1 plus 4.363. Okay, so we can write like that 39.1. So I will write here 4.363. So as you can see here, or whenever we necessary, we can put 0 if necessary to complete the required number of decimals. Suppose if I will put here 0, this is 0. Okay, so it will looks like a complete question. Okay, so let's solve the answer. 3 plus 0, 3, 6 plus 0, 6, 1 plus 3, 4. I will put the decimal here. 9 plus 4, 13, 3. Now it will go carry 1 and 3 plus 1, 4. So this is our answer. So let's take one more example. So I will write here 48.95 plus 17.18. Okay, so we can write like that 48.95, 17.18. I will put addition sign. Now we will solve. 5 plus 8, 13, 3, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 1, 11, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 7, 16, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. And I will put the decimal point in between. Okay, so that is our answer. Now remember, line up the numbers. We put the line up the numbers and then add and then carry. Then we also put the decimal on the answer with a straight line. Okay. In easy way to remember, same place and correct answer. Same place and this is the correct answer. It means 100th on 100th, 10th on 10th, ones on ones and tens on tens. Okay, never mix the place value. Never mix the place value, right? So, okay, that's all for the today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every problem has a solution. Happy learning. Thank you.